Hey, stay tuned till the end because I have macros and you're gonna want to see my macros for the day. It's pool night. I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Okay, all my stuff came in to set up my little coffee station. I'm going to have somebody make labels for me who can write neat. That's my collagen powder that I use. I have regular tea, but I also put, hang on just a second. I have these flavored teas that you sent me and the caffeine-free ones. I can't put it in another container because I don't have another small one. But I think this one looks nice enough to sit up there. So that's up there. And then I got my little walrus. He's filled with my flavor enhancers and then some energy electrolytes. And I just keep my scissors in there. So whenever I grab one, I can just cut it right quick. Then I'll have my coffee cups and the lids and the little thingies that go around them back here. And then my little stirrers back there. So this is how it's going to look officially. But now realistically, y'all, I have my pills. And so what I do in the morning is, or the nighttime, I go on and get a cup out and get it ready to go. And then I set my pills on the lid just to make sure I don't accidentally forget to take them. I need to top off my water. But hang on, I know I'm wiggling around. You just hold them horses because I need to get things. Dadgum thing, I'm telling you, don't buy this thing. It was cheaper as all can be. I ended up using my own screws because they were little bitty short things and the wood was splitting, so I just used my own screws. But it's all right. I don't care. I want it. So, and it's cute. So that's how it looks. So, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. The only other thing I could think of getting someday is maybe like a little black tray kind of thing with drawers that I could put tea into or my electrolytes. That's the only other thing I could think of maybe getting in the future, but that's way down the line. But I got my syrup, I have my electrolytes and my creatine, my instant coffee. Back here I have a little bit of monk fruit. And like I said, my collagen powder, my flavor enhancers, and my teas, and my cup, and my stirs, and yeah. So this is how it's going to look. So I just really wanted to kind of raise it so that way. And back in the back, that little blue thing, that's my chocolate. Just chocolate cocoa. Not cocoa, but yeah, I guess cocoa. But not the sweet cocoa. It's the chocolate. Dutch chocolate. But anyway, so yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. Okay, bye. One of my nurses, she is very crafty. She's got a good eye. She's a Pinterest guru, and she has a Cricut. So I was showing her my coffee thing that I showed you all earlier, and I told her I needed some labels, and I wanted her to I said, write on these labels that came with it. Well, she's like, now that I've seen these, I need to get my Cricut and do da-da-da-da-da. And I said, well, no. She's like, nope. So anyway, so she's excited to print out some labels for me. Okay. Food first, and then we got a couple things. First off, I gotta laugh. Two things I gotta laugh about. One, every day we come out to my car. Why do we come out to my car? Because we're not allowed to record in the building anymore. Nobody is. So unless it's like something for the center. Anyway, that's because somebody on some random troll complained to my boss or our company that I was recording in the building. It's all right. I'm over it. And when it warms back up, we'll go back out and sit on the picnic table. So I come out here every day. I don't need this key to get it to do this recording, but it is such a habit. Every day I come out and I pop it out. I'm like, I don't even know why. And the reason why I thought about that is this bracelet is a magnet. So it sticks to everything, and everything that's metal. And so anyway, as I was coming out, it was sticking, and I'm like, that's so annoying. Okay, so next up, fruit punch is my Zevia flavor of the day. Y'all, you don't have to drink these. Please no. If you can't tolerate things that I do, don't be doing them. Please don't be doing what I do, because I'm doing Terri. You do what's best for you, okay? I never want you to do what Terri does if it's not going to do good with your body. So this is just how Terri does it. All right. So we have our ground beef, a slice of the fat-free cheese. Somebody asked me, I'm like, yeah, it's a good question, why I do fat-free cheese whenever I add fat back in. Fat back. The reason why is I know exactly, I carry over from one day to the next, okay? And I actually had ChatGPT help me create my meal plan that I'm eating. And so part of the meal plan was 180 grams of ground beef with adding 15-ish grams of fat. So that was kind of the basis of what my plan was. So if I add in like full fat cheese, it's going to add in more calories, and then I'd have to be like, okay, well, I need to have less fat. So this is just kind of, I also track calories. So for me, that's why I add the fat-free cheese. So anyway, so I have one slice of fat-free cheese with my ground beef, 2 servings, which is 14 grams of bacon bits, 18 grams of fat, and 40 grams of ketchup. Now remember, I'm animal-based. I ain't carnivore. I see a birdie sitting up on top of the work roof. That's good. Basically, I'm having a bacon cheeseburger. So, just a little update. You know, yesterday, after my body did what it did, I was 181 pounds when I got on the scale. I'm not freaked out about it. You know, your body has to do what it has to do, and you can't stop it. But today I got on and I was 180. So, it is coming back to a less inflamed, a less, I don't know, cortisol, stress state. So, that's a good thing. Okay, so that's the food talk. Now the fun talk. I ordered, I don't know how to open this thing. And why are they in a Ziploc bag? That's dumb. These are seat belts for the seatbelt things for the dog. And I haven't taken them out. I wanted to do it with you all. Oh, it's a little bowl that you fold out. I wanted to see how these would work. But as I'm thinking about it, oh good, I could make them shorter. So, you know, when I take the dogs to daycare, you know, I got all 3 dogs in here. And so I bought some collars, and then I bought these because I was wondering how this would work. So I brought them with me because I can't really piddle around in my car when I'm home. The dogs will hear jingling in the house, and they'll think that it's something to do with them. But so I had the packs of 2, so I got 2 packs. And anyway, I want to try it next time I take them to daycare. But I got to get back there and see how they'd work. I don't really know. I ain't going to do it right now. But I just want to show you because they came in. So, I guess I am glad it's a Ziploc bag because I'm going to put them back in here. Y'all, sometimes I'm so silly. But that's all right. Listen, we can be as silly as we want to, and we ain't got to worry about it. I like being silly. So that's what I know. So I'll see you at Leper. All right. Bye. Also, I think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue with the pork steaks that are in my freezer. You know, the pork steak pieces that I have portioned out. I'm going to continue with those at supper time. And then I'm going to switch over and have beef twice a day. I just really like how good I feel when I've got beef going, and I don't know. Anyway, I'll see. I may change my mind in 2.5 seconds. All right. Anyway, I'll see you later. I just kind of wanted to let you know what I was kind of thinking about doing is stopping the pork steak. Not that there's anything wrong with it, okay? But just for consistency for me. So anyway, all right. Bye. Yep. Okay, so don't look at the dog fur. But I did get the little plug-in things. Don't look at the fur. Stop judging me. But it hooks, so I got them each a collar. I showed you that the other day. And then these are supposed to stay in there. It's supposed, oh, hang on. It's supposed to be heavy duty. Oh, shoot, a monkey, Terry. Anyway, yeah. So, but I can see where they would twist around. So I'm not 100% sold on them. But this is a flap that comes up and just to keep down some of the fur. I probably need to take this out and give it a nice little vacuuming down under there. Imagine if this wasn't here, how much furry that would have been. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. All right, let's go home and eat. I'm starving. Also, I know, more and more. I was talking to ChatGPT about just an eating plan where I don't have to add the dadgum fat. Like, why can't the fat just be already in the meat? So, I've been plugging in some numbers and checking with ChatGPT. And, but I still have a lot of stuff in my freezer and refrigerator that I have to eat. So, just know this ain't for a while, okay? So, just know that. But, anyway, I'm always looking to tweak. I'm a tweaker, man. I'm a tweaker. But anyway, so, doggies. So anyway, so I got something. It'll be later. Wait, is this right? Yeah. It'll be way later whenever, but I gotta wait till all my pork steaks gone. So, all right. Bye. Pool league tonight. So, I'll show you the macros at the end. But, today, while I was on my break, I was messing around with TikTok. And I'm sorry, I cannot give credit to the person who said it. I don't know. I didn't see a name. I tried to look, but I couldn't figure it out. He said his opinion of discipline is different than other people's. He said discipline is the ability to prioritize your future self over today's self. So past tense me creates dopamine for today me. In this way, we can look back at ourselves with gratitude. So we're setting ourselves up for success. So he said, discipline is meal prepping and weighing your food, tracking your food, washing your clothes, setting up your coffee for the next day, filling up the dog bowl before you go to bed, setting your clothes out for tomorrow. He said that those things are his version of discipline. And he's right. You know, when you get up the next day and you're like, oh, sweet. That's my clothes. I don't even have to think about it. Or, oh, sweet. Them dogs, they got plenty of water. You know? Those are little dopamine hits that you're giving to your future. Sorry, had an alarm go off. It's not a matter of, I'm doing the same thing every day. No, you're doing something for the future self. Yeah, I'm eating pork, beef. I'm eating the same foods every day. I am. But I am prioritizing future Terri over what today Terri wants. So I really like that way of looking at it. It really made sense. So, but tonight we have 180 grams of pork steak. Hold up, I need another bite of that. Oh, come on, fella. Come on. Yeah. I even took a bite of this. I have no clue what flavor it is. None whatsoever. It could be eggnog. I don't think it's banana. I don't remember making a plain banana. Could be apple. I don't know. I can't tell. I hate when Terri of the past, did not prioritize today's Terri's dopamine. I think it might be apple pie. Past Terri said, "You're on your own, girlfriend," which wasn't very nice, but you know, it is what it is. Okay. Pool league night. How do I set myself up for success? When we go to play pool, several of the places have food. You know, it's a bar and grill, so they can order food. Some places, the people will order pizza and bring it in. And so there's pizza laying all around. Last week, there was a girl who had cupcakes that she made. Just so happened to have been my birthday. And but anyway, so it's like, you know, there are... wait, was it my birthday? No, my birthday was Saturday. It was my birthday week. Anyway, so anyway, there's food around. So what do I do for myself? You'll see on on the macros, you'll see that in the end. But I take 3 meat sticks with me. And so I kind of nibble around. I kind of like nibble. Well, I eat the whole thing pretty fast. But I eat on it during the matches. And that kind of keeps my brain like, oh, I'm not being left out of everything. They're over there eating their burger and fries, or they're eating their whatever it is they're eating. I don't feel like I'm being left out. So it works for me. So anyway, all right, that's it. Macros are coming up. Okay, here we go. There's my coffee. I got the same coffee every day. It's the same macros. Here's my lunch. You can see what I had on the macros for my lunchtime. And this is my afternoon coffee and my supper and my meat sticks and my heavy cream. And there's my total macros for the day. Bye.